Welcome to my new car. This is me. And that's it. Look at this. Whoa. The interior, my love. You have this picture. This is for the, we have the controls for the front, back, and this is, I think, for the music, right? Wow. And look at the steering, my loves. It's fully electric. Doesn't have any, like, they go change gear, right? Doesn't have anything like that. And you have the control panel there. Wow. The aircon. And what's here? Oh, okay. That's your typical like water, right? And let's check maybe look inside here. Yeah, you can build it. Wow. Wow, inside is really orange, right? And there's an aircon there. You can also control the volume. Okay, it's a control panel for that one. Wow. And you have multiple speakers. This one speaker, then another speaker below. I think that's the bass. And this is the I forgot this is Twitter, right? Wow. Let's look at the
Maluwag.
quite spacious.
Oh, yeah.
See, it's quite spacious and we have some buttons here. I don't know what this is. And you even have the light and you have this one. Wow. What how do you think this is? I don't know how to close.
Sige daw, push la.
Ha? Alam may pinipindot yan eh. Forgot. Let's check it. Yeah, you can also video the. Wow, my loves. You have your own control panel here for the passenger if you really want to watch something, right?
Sure.
And oh, actually they have multiple camera. A camera here, and I think also a camera at the other side, and I think they have a camera here and a camera there. Wow, it's the Leaf L7. Yeah, it comes with different colors. And you have the different seat colors. I think this is the color orange one, right? Wow. Oh, you need to add another 10,000 RMB for the other this one. Wow. Yeah, guys, very good. Like, dream car Gia, right? You want? Bye-bye. Okay naman.